Hello children, good morning. Children, we have completed our Roman 1, 2, 3 of Unit 3 in English, right? So today we will be writing homophones. Homophones are the words which are pronounced in the same way as a question word. Question word. So you no need to get confused with the rhyming words. Okay, rhyming words are also have the same sound but little bit they change. Like example, see here in homophones like K-N-O-W is also we pronounce it as no, and N-O no also we pronounce it in the same way. No, no, yes or no. The sound comes same. So these are homophones which have the same sound without getting any disturbance. But the rhyming words, example, day, we are making it as bay. Day and bay. The word is entirely changing but the pronunciation is ending with the same thing. So these kind of words are known as rhyming words, and the same sound. Like a question sound only, the answer word sound also getting the same sound. So that is only known as homophones. So let's start. Every one of you all put Roman number 4 and write homophones, which are also given in page number 30. First one, allowed. A-L-L-O-W-E-D. Allowed. And this will be known as allowed. Okay, allowed means allowing something. Allowed means saying it loud. See, allowed, allowed. Both are pronouncing in the same manner. Now second one, soul. S-O-L-E, soul. S-O-U-L, soul. Feet. F-E-E-T, feet. F-E-A-T, feet. Fourth one, that is a hymn. That is a rhythmic sound. Hymn. H-I-M is also pronounced hymn only. Hymn, hymn. Okay. Hymning sound is made by the birds, especially the smaller birds. Now, fifth one, root. R-O-O-T, root. R-O-U-T-E, root. This root is a part of the plant. This R-O-U-T-E root is the way. Okay, we will ask if we are going, if we don't know any root, any way, going somewhere, we will ask someone to help us with the root, right? So this is that root and this is a part of the plant. Sixth one, no. N-O, no. As I already explained you on this one, K-N-O-W, no. Next one, weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Weather means this is a climatic condition, children. Today's weather is very hot or today's weather is very cool. This is that weather. Now, W-H-E-T-H-E-R. Weather means if so. If we will ask whether you are coming or not, whether that guy is going there or not. This is asking about the situation. Now, eighth one, sail. S-A-I-L. Sail. This sail is sailing in the water, like in the boat. Now, S-A-L-E, sail. This sale you know that there is a Ashadam sale in the shopping malls, or there is a Diwali sale, or there is a Dashera sale, right? That is a sale. Sale, sale. So you understood how the words are pronouncing in the same way, both the words. These kind of words are only known as homophones. Okay children? Now let's start writing our question answers. Every one of you all open page number 32. Copy down the questions from the textbook. So this will be Roman number 5. Roman 5 question answers. So what is the first question? How do animals communicate? So importance of language. In the first paragraph only I explained here how the animals communicate. See here, he had given microorganisms, plants and animals all communicate. A word without communication, sorry. Animals communicate using sounds and body language. How do they communicate? Animals communicate with the sounds of their body language. Answer 1. Animals communicate using sounds and body language. How do animals communicate? Animals communicate using sounds and body language. Now copy down question number 2. Question number 2 is, what are Egyptians' hieroglyphics? What do they represent? So what do their Egyptians' hieroglyphics represent? Egyptians' hieroglyphics is an elevated form of early communication which involved using pictures. They represent early form of communication. So Egyptians have first started the way of communication, the system of communication. How? With the pictures. They used to draw, or they used to represent by using some of the other objects to convey the message to the other person. Egyptians. Egyptians. Egyptians or Egyptian hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics is an elevated means which started, okay, which raised, elevated form of early communication which involved using pictures. Okay, full stop. So they represent early form of communication. What they represent? They represent early form of communication. So what is Egyptian hieroglyphics and what do they represent? Egyptians hieroglyphics is an elevated form of early communication which involved using pictures. They represent early form of communication. Now copy question number 3. Which language is considered as a common medium of communication in the world, and how did it come to be that? So English is the common language of communication. The English language spread across the world as a result of British colonialism. So they all have set up a meeting and decided to keep English as a main language. English is the common language. Can you see this? Common language of communication. Communication. Full stop. The English language. The English language spread across the world. ACRO, across the world. Across the world as a result of British colonialism. Okay, that means that was a policy from which was made by the Britishers. English is the common language of communication. The English language spread across the world as a result of British colonialism. Okay, children? Now copy down the question number 4. How many dialects are there in India? Which are the official languages of India? So how many dialects I said? How many languages actually? There are over 720 dialects in India. The official languages are Hindi and English. So answer 4. There are over 720 dialects. Dialects are regional form of language. Okay, maybe in you guys are Telugu people, right? Even see, I am not a Telugu. I am not Telugu, as you all know. So different people living in the different regions have their own dialects, right? So much of the Telugu is very posh, and some is medium, and some is little bit. It resembles like some mix of the language with the two. Dialects in India, there are over 720 dialects in India. Full stop. The official official, that means the main language. Official language means the main language which is understood by everyone. The official languages are Hindi and English. So there are over 722 dialects in India. The official languages are Hindi and English. Now 5th question. What is an endangered language and how does it become a carrier of culture and tradition? Which languages? What is the endangered language? That means an endangered language is a language that is at risk of falling out of use, generally because it has few speakers. And endangered language Language is a language that is at risk. That is at risk of falling out of use, comma, generally because it has very few speakers. Generally, Generally, generally because it has few speakers. K-E-R-S, speakers. Okay children, so what is an endangered language? An endangered language is a language that is at risk of falling out of use. That means the language which is not still in the use. That means no one is speaking that language. Generally because it has few speakers. Because very less people are speaking that language. Now the last question. Question number. No, we still have 2 more questions. Question number 6 is, which Indian language do not have their own scripts? So which Indian language do not have their own scripts? Konkani. Konkani does not have its own script. Does not have its own script. Now, last question, question number 7. Which organization is working on preserving the dying language of India? So I told you all which organization is working. Central Institute of Indian Languages. CENTRAL. Central Institute. TITU. Institute of India or Indian language. Okay children? Central Institute of Indian Languages. L capital. Here C capital, I capital, I capital. GUAGES. Languages. In bracket you write CILL. That represents Central Institute of Indian Languages. Is working on the protection comma preservation and documentation. What is meant by protection? Protecting. Preserving means keeping it in the files. Documentation means making a short clips or video clips, like a documentation of endangered GERED endangered languages. Okay children, let's read the answer again. Who is protecting? Central Institute of Indian Languages is working on the protection, preservation and documentation of endangered languages. So we have finished our 7 question answers. Homophones as well as the question answers. Once in class work, twice in the homework. Now let's do something related to the textbook. These are homework part in the textbook, page number 30, B bit, and page number 31, D bit. C is also there, right? And even C is there. C I will explain. First I will explain B. Match the words given on the left with their appropriate meaning given on the right. So word list he had given and the meanings he had given. So language. What is the meaning of language? Language is speech, script or diction. That means language whether it is written or communicated. Now next, famous. Famous means what? Popular or well known. So these words are, you need to go through the dictionary, children. So make a habit how to use a dictionary. Take the help of your parents and write it down. This is complete your part, because once we are going through the lesson, we can also go through this. Next one, page number 31, C bit. See, Anish completed Master of Arts. The underlined word we have to make it as a abbreviation. Master of Arts, ARTS. So for this short form is MA. Okay. See here, Anish completed Master of Arts from the prestigious Delhi University. For that we have to make it in the abbreviation form. Anish completed MA from the prestigious Delhi University. So the box with number 12 printed on it is yours. So number 12. How can we write number? NO is the full abbreviation of number. Number 12. The same thing. The place is given, right? In that given place only you write it. The box with number 12. See, I write it one. Second one. The box with number 12. Okay. Printed on it is ours. Same to same sentence you need to write, but just you have to make it an abbreviation. Now Dr. Saigal is our family doctor. So for doctor, how you write, children? Abbreviation only DR. Okay, Dr. Saigal. Same to same, this will be sentence. Next one. A potato does not increase your intake of calorie as much as it is anticipated. Now, calories is termed as only CAL. CAL means only calories. That is a short form. Next one. My school is 5 kilometers away from my home. Kilometers, KILOMETERS, meters, is termed as km in short form. Next comes match the following. Match the following you need to do by yourself. Archaeologists have found what they have found: many cave paintings with cattle and weapons as a subject of matter. So remaining 4 you only have to do it. Okay children, get back with the next lesson. Take care of yourself.